If getting in and out of your tub is starting to feel harder, you're not alone. For many homeowners, the bathroom is the first place where mobility can get tricky. And unfortunately, it's also one of the most dangerous rooms in the house under the right conditions. At HomePride, we've helped hundreds of homeowners create safer bathrooms. And we've also had people tell us later, there are things that I wish I understood before I bought my walk-in tub. So let's walk through the topic of walk-in tubs together. When a walk-in tub makes sense and when it doesn't, and of course, what you should know before making that big decision. So the first topic, what exactly is a walk-in tub really? Quite simply, walk-in tubs are a bathtub with a door. Instead of stepping over a tall wall, you step in through a small opening, usually just a few inches high. And then of course, you sit down, you close the door, and then you fill the tub. Now, why do people choose them? Quite honestly, one simple reason we hear over and over again, safety. As we get older, balance changes. Joints get stiffer, and stepping over a traditional bath wall can become very risky. Walk-in baths or walk-in tubs help reduce that risk with low step-in heights, built-in seating, grab bars, and of course, slip-resistant floors. For the right person, a walk-in bath isn't luxury, it's independence. Walk-in baths also offer something else, comfort. Many of them have hydrotherapy jets, which can help with all sorts of different issues, including arthritis, joint pain, circulation, and of course, for a lot of people, that daily relief can make a big difference in your day-to-day. And now, let's talk about what many companies may not explain very clearly, or at least not clearly up front. Number one, the cost. Walk-in baths are a major investment. Most homeowners spend somewhere around $18,000 to $25,000 to have a walk-in bath installed in their home. And higher-end systems can go even beyond that. Number two, the wet wait. Now, the wet wait is one that surprises people the most. You have to sit in the tub when it fills, and then sit again while it drains. In some cases, that can take 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes longer. For some people, that's fine. For others, that's a deal breaker. The biggest issue isn't the bath, it's the waiting. Number three, water heater needs. Now, an important thing to keep in mind that many homeowners may not think of up front is this, is that walk-in baths use a lot more water than a normal bath. So, some homes may need a larger water heater or even a tankless system. Number four, resale considerations. If you only have one bathroom, removing a standard tub can sometimes make your home less appealing to future buyers if you're replacing it with a walk-in bath. So, who are walk-in baths actually best for? These baths make the most sense if you have balance or mobility concerns, you plan to stay in your home long-term, you want therapeutic soaking for pain relief. And when might they not be the best fit? Well, if you prefer quick showers, you're planning to sell your home soon, or quite honestly, you don't want to deal with the waiting of the tub filling up and the tub draining, there may be better options, like this one. For many homeowners, a walk-in shower is actually the better solution compared to the walk-in tub. You have the same benefits of not having to step over anything. However, you don't have to wait for water to fill or drain. And of course, they still remain very safe. Remember, the best solution isn't always the most expensive one, it's the one that fits your life. Here at HomePride, we are committed to helping homeowners making the best choice for themselves. And in many cases, we've helped them choose both options. Sometimes a walk-in bath is life-changing. Other times, a walk-in shower made more sense. If you're not sure what's right for your home, we'd love the opportunity to walk you through it honestly. even if that means recommending something else that you may be currently considering as a product. If you want more information about walk-in tubs, walk-in showers, how they're similar, and how they may be a better fit for you, we invite you to visit the Learning Center of our website by going to www.homepridebath.com, clicking on the Learning Center, and put in walk-in baths in the search bar. There you can find a multitude of articles that talk about the different facets of walk-in baths, who they're a better fit for, what cost concerns are, and other popular topics Colorado homeowners just like you are interested in.